Hey guys, I'm redoing my living fence, not redoing it, but boosting it a little bit. So what I do is I have a long screwdriver in the ground to make the hole like that. And where did I put it? I have just a little slip. It doesn't need to be rooted. The only important thing is make sure you have water in that spot. So hopefully you can see that. And so I'm gonna take out my screwdriver, put the little thing in, and voila, there's your next upright for your living fence. Let's see if I can put another one in right here. Again, it's not a special tool, it's just a long screwdriver. Another stick, put it in, and that's how you put in your uprights for your living fence. I need to put in a couple more. So hopefully you can see this. Screwdriver. Slip. In. And the longer it is, the better, because the soil at the ground at that level, the deeper you go, the moister the soil is. But sometimes there's a limit, like if you have a lot of rocks. That can make it hard, and it does help if you have the end a little pointy. And then that's it. Here we are. I'm a little bit late doing it this year. It's better to do it in the spring, just as everything is still really wet. But there it is. There's the living fence, and I use it for shade for the ducks. I use it as a windbreak for the garden, and I use it to build up organic matter in the soil. As the leaves drop, it mulches everything. We also feed the rabbits and the goats from this. I trim this several times a year, and all the trimmings, they either go into the hotbed, or they go to the rabbits, or they go to the goats. If you're interested in rabbits or goats or ducks, I do have the ebooks for those on the Etsy channel. No, on the Etsy store, Dirtpatcheaven on Etsy. I will put the link in there, and I'll try and show you how I water this. I use drip lines, but I don't purchase the drip lines. Can you see that? That's an old hose, and this is supposed to be flipped, but this is just an old hose that's been clipped that goes over that to create a drip line. And you use your oldest, nastiest hoses to do that. And it just works really well. And wonder if I can find the spot where I closed it for you so you can see it. Where is it? Right here. And then you just use duct tape. You just bend it over and close it with duct tape. Or you can get one of those fancy twisty lid things, but you don't have to. So this is how things are looking. And again, if you're interested in those ebooks, they are on the Etsy store, and I will put a link in the description. And thank you for supporting our channel. I hope it's helpful. I'll talk to you later.